Guys, me too. Dan and Belisa, please subscribe, catch my video, and the button. Also give the video to our subscribers. Then I'll do a gift card giveaway. And today, we are gonna be baking brownies. And this is my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're gonna be baking brownies today. It's kind of like a tutorial on how to bake brownies. So yeah, we have this brownie mix, and it's with California walnuts. I hate nuts, but we're gonna do this. So we have our pan, vegetable oil, and let's do this. What do you need?
What you did with my kitchen scissors?
Oh, that's in the dining room.
Go get them.
Okay. We need kitchen scissors to do this, and also make sure you have adult supervision with using kitchen scissors because they can be very dangerous. So we put it in the bowl, and we need 1 4 cup of vegetable oil, water, and 1 large egg.
1/4 cup, and then you could put your egg in there.
Yeah, so I got my egg. Hold on.
Don't get no shells in.
Oh my gosh, it's dripping.
1/4 cup of water. That's it. Just 1 egg.
Yeah.
And 1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
It's right here.
So you're gonna do this.
Can I pour it?
Wait, let me make. Go ahead. Sorry.
Okay. Ooh.
And go ahead and mix it
with a whisk. I'm gonna have to wash my hands because this stuff is sticky.
Watch your hair. Put it
I will.
behind. Okay.
Hopefully you guys can see this. It looks like chocolate icing, but it's not. I think we're gonna need more water because it's still kind of dry.
Let me help. No, don't add more water. You want them fudgy.
Okay.
Okay. Let me
My hand is not sticky.
use a better spoon, not a whisk.
Okay. You could use the giant spoon. I have different materials. And I'm so excited, guys. Me and my mom both haven't had brownies since like September, which was a long time ago. So it's looking really good. That's how it looks.
So sorry.
It's okay. That's how it looks, guys.
Go ahead and mix it.
I'm gonna mix it still. Oh, I see the nuts.
Go ahead.
I low-key hate nuts.
Let's see how many minutes.
That's a lot of nuts. Look at the mixture, guys.
27 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna bake them for 25 minutes. Okay.
27 to 30 minutes.
I said 25.
Oh.
Okay, so go ahead.
We could really bake these for 20 minutes. That would be faster.
No, not about being faster. You don't want to over bake them.
Yeah. Just pouring it in the bowl.
I'm thinking we should have used a smaller pan because this is not.
I thought that was small. It's too late.
I'm thinking that's what, like a round pan maybe. I'm just gonna spread. I got it for you. Spread it out. So I normally bake mine in a round pan.
Oh.
I'm just doing a small pan for the house. Just spread it out.
Can I I try?
Yeah, go ahead, Louisa. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So we're just
This is her channel. I don't want to take over.
On how to bake brownies and stuff.
Okay.
I think we might need to cut the parchment paper.
No, that's okay. No, you don't need to cut it. That's okay.
Wait, can we cut this bit?
Don't worry about that. That's okay. Okay. You don't worry about that. They'll tell you that in the recipes. You don't need to worry about cutting. It's gonna protect the
And we're about to
pan.
put this in the oven. So while we're doing that, I might lick the bowl.
Did you spray it good? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, here goes the spatula. You could taste it.
Yeah.
You
want to taste it too on the other spoon?
I just want to get all the extra brownie mix.
Okay, let me taste it. The taste. It's pretty good. It'll taste even better when it's baked.
Next time we'll use a smaller pan.
Yeah.
Get
all that chocolate, guys.
It has walnuts in these. That's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna hit the pan a little bit. That's the brownie mix. I don't want to slide it.
I don't know why, but licking the bowl and tasting the food is my favorite part of baking.
Now I'm gonna set the time.
Okay. So Mama's gonna set the timer. And yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead. Yeah, it says 27 to 30 minutes, but I like my brownies a little gooey, fudgier. So
Yeah.
I just do 25 minutes. And so I'm thinking we probably should have did it in a smaller pan. So I'm a little nervous. I hope they still come out good. California walnuts. This is just something fun to do with her channel, and her grandmother gave us this. But I have a recipe from scratch, so we'll probably do that some other time. Okay. And got 25 minutes on 350 degrees to be cake-like.
Well, we just added one because that's what it said on the box.
Yeah, but it says also if you want cake like brownies, you could do 2 eggs. I don't like cake like brownies.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's it for me.
Yeah. And honestly, I haven't did a baking video on this channel since like summertime, but I posted it in December, I think. So this is like your next baking video, and like Mom said, we could have added 2 eggs, but we just added 1. See, I just realized the box says do not eat raw batter. That's okay though, because I like the bowl all the time. But yeah, the timer is set. it's ticking. We are baking brownies. And yeah. So if you want to learn, how to bake brownies from cake mix from the store, you can watch this tutorial. Although you guys probably know how to do that already, but still. So you have 21 more minutes left. So yeah. See you guys when the brownies are done. Okay guys, update. The brownie is almost done. Brownies, 9 minutes left on the clock. Okay guys, back, the timer went off.
They look good.
Okay guys, here's the brownies.
Okay.
How they look.
You can't put the camera the other way? Oh.
So hopefully you guys was able to, there we go.
They look good and fudgy. That's how I like my brownies, with a shiny coat.
Yeah. They came out a bit thin, so maybe we should have put them in a circle pan, but they look good, so.
Oh, that's okay. We could eat them with ice cream, or that's okay with me.
Yeah.
And don't mind the pan. I know my pan has good wear and tear on it. This is my good pan that I had for years, so it's, and we have parchment paper.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do a taste test.
No, not yet.
When these are done cooling off, we're probably gonna let them cool off for like 5-ish minutes.
Well, you could go ahead and pause it and let it cool off.
Okay. So the brownie is done cooling off. This is a brownie and the ice cream I have with it. As you can see, it came out thin, but who cares? So let's try it. I'm going to try the brownie first without the ice cream. This is good. 10 out of 10. Didn't like the nut. But yeah, it's really good. And with the ice cream. Good. Mom, what do you think about the brownie?
It's good. I like mine better, but it's good.
Yeah, me too. But it's really delicious. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching a tutorial on how to bake brownies. I hope you guys, yeah. But thank you guys for watching a tutorial on how to bake brownies. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah.
Peace out.
Yeah. Bye guys. Peace out. Peace.